Can I pause you right there for a moment? I hear you saying you're sorry for not being your usual self, but you've just lost your mom. That's not something anyone bounces back from. That's a tectonic shift in your life. Of course, you're not chipper. Of course, the world feels quieter, colder, and impossibly different. Yes, losing your mother, it's not just about someone being gone. It's the absence of a voice you've always known. The silence of comfort, the ache of a bond that was there before you even had words. And now you're trying to navigate a world that just keeps turning without her. And how does that feel? Yeah. It sounds exhausting. Grief doesn't follow rules. There is no right way to mourn, no deadline to stop crying. Some days you might get up and do what you need to do. Other days, brushing your teeth feels like a mountain. And that's not failure. That's your love showing up as grief, and it's valid. From a therapeutic perspective, what you're feeling isn't just sadness. It's your nervous system responding to shock, your mind trying to process an unthinkable change, your heart holding space for someone who was always there. And yes, that takes energy you don't know you'd have to use. So if you're feeling numb, angry, detached, or even laughing unexpectedly at old memories, that's all part of it. Yeah, grief doesn't color within a line, so it's not going to look like everyone else's experience who've lost their mom. Yes. Well, you do have a faith, and I know that in having your faith, you believe that your mother isn't lost to nothingness. And that's a very calming feeling to believe she's with God. Exactly. So her story isn't over, and neither is yours. You don't have to be strong every day, but you do have to be kind to yourself. So what does that look like? Eat when you can, cry when it comes, breathe, rest, speak her name.